What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to escape from the passage exit in Where Winds Meet. Now there are two simple ways to exit from the passage. For the first method, we're gonna use this bridge. Just come over this bridge and then follow the route. And at the end, you'll find this exit. Press R2 on PlayStation or press F key on your PC to squeeze through from here. Then press forward key on your controller or keyboard, and after that you will exit from this passage. For the second method, we need to jump from this bridge first. After that, go to these stairs, and then at the end of these stairs you will find this exit. Just again repeat the same process. Go near the exit. After that, press F key on your PC or press R2 on your PlayStation. Then hold the forward button and you will exit from the location. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.